Imagine this, you've got a little nest egg, maybe from years of saving, maybe a bonus, and you're thinking, okay, time to make this money work for me. You've heard about robo-advisors, automated investing, and one name keeps popping up, StashAway. But a tiny voice in the back of your head whispers, is this legit? Can I really trust them with my hard-earned cash? Sound familiar? That's the question we're diving into today. Is StashAway credible? In a world saturated with financial apps and promises of easy wealth, it's crucial to separate the real deal from the hype. So, let's cut through the noise and get down to brass tacks. First, let's address the elephant in the room. What exactly is StashAway? In essence, they're a digital wealth management platform, or a robo-advisor, that uses algorithms to manage your investments. They aim to simplify investing, making it accessible to everyone, regardless of their financial expertise. They offer diversified portfolios tailored to your risk tolerance and financial goals. Sounds good, right? But the key word here is trust. To assess credibility, we need to look at several factors. Firstly, regulation. StashAway is regulated by the Monetary Authority of Singapore, MAS, and Singapore, the Securities Commission Malaysia, SC, in Malaysia, and the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, in Thailand. This regulatory oversight is crucial. It means they adhere to strict financial standards and are subject to regular audits. In other words, they're not just some random app, they're operating within established frameworks. Secondly, their track record. How have they performed? StashAway emphasizes long-term investing, and while past performance is not indicative of future results, it's worth looking at. They publish their portfolio performance regularly, allowing transparency. This transparency is a good sign. It shows they're willing to be held accountable. When evaluating their performance, remember to look at it in the context of market conditions and your own risk tolerance. Thirdly, their investment methodology. StashAway uses what they call ERAA, Economic Regime-Based Asset Allocation. This system aims to adjust your portfolio based on prevailing economic conditions. It's a data-driven approach, which is a key strength of robo-advisors. They're not relying on gut feelings or hunches, they're relying on algorithms and data analysis. This methodology is also well documented and explained on their website. Fourthly, user experience and customer service. How easy is it to use their platform? How responsive are they to questions and concerns? StashAway is known for its user-friendly interface and relatively quick customer support. User reviews and testimonials consistently highlight the ease of navigation and the helpfulness of their support team. This is important because, let's face it, investing can be daunting, and having a platform that's easy to use and a support team that's readily available can make a world of difference. Fifthly, security. How secure is your money? StashAway employs industry-standard security measures to protect your data and funds. They also work with reputable custodian banks to hold your assets. This separation of assets adds another layer of security. Your money is not held directly by StashAway, but by a regulated custodian. Now, let's address some common concerns. Some people worry about the fees. StashAway charges a management fee, which varies depending on your portfolio size. It's important to understand these fees before investing. Compare them to other robo-advisors and traditional investment options. Are they competitive? Are you comfortable with the fee structure? Another concern is the lack of human interaction. Some investors prefer to work with a financial advisor. Robo-advisors are automated, which means you won't have a personal advisor to guide you through every decision. However, this automation is also what allows them to offer lower fees and more accessible investing. If you're comfortable with a digital-first approach, this might not be a drawback. Ultimately, whether StashAway is credible depends on your individual needs and preferences. They offer a regulated, transparent, and user-friendly platform with a data-driven investment approach. However, like any investment, it's not without risk. Do your research, understand the fees, and assess your own risk tolerance. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.